Right, so I'm going one more time here with the HST. What I've done is I've removed the KD coupler. Got a few issues with the height of that, to be honest. I'm going to try and get this HST over this point super slow. I'm going to go at 2. 1 is actually too slow for the HST, so I'll go for 2. And see what happens when it gets to this point here, the frog. Just about now is the issue. Oh, there you go. I mean, it's just so annoying, isn't it? It's so annoying. All of a sudden, there isn't a problem. There you go again. There you go. It should be a problem round about now. Nothing at all. Well, you know, I'm pleased, but I'm annoyed. I'll get it to go at 1, but 1 really is very, very slow on the HST. I mean, you know, you can see how slow that is. That's why I just move him on a bit. Get to the exciting bit. And that is a crawl. I know this isn't the most exciting video ever, but just for a bit of fun. Let's see what happens. Let me try and get in a really good position here. That's what we're looking at. I mean, that really is a crawl, isn't it? You know, it's this point here. I gave it a good rub with the track rubber. I gave the wheels a really good clean with the Gauge Master cleaner. Good, I'll keep going. So, I'm expecting the problem about now. Yeah. It's fairly fantastic, but well, that's the first bogey that's negotiated the frog. If I just push it on, the second bogey now is coming up to the frog. Got you. See? Still there.